Hi, Mike Kennedy. We're going to take a look at a couple items in the Goodwill in Gorham, Maine. Here's a seen on TV pizza tray. It's got a flat surface, a screen surface, and it has sides to it if you're making a pizza like a breakfast pizza. Here's some different salt, Himalayan salt, and some different peppers and things. $8. The pizza tray was $7. These are all new items, okay? The store in Gorham has, I would say, a higher number of new things than some other stores. Digital scales here for only, what was it, 15, I think? Not bad. And now we're looking at some cake trays at Lock. We've got a air oven, turbo type oven. Circulates the air instead of frying. And, whoops, there's the title that I forgot I put in already. Here are all the different kinds of watch cell batteries they have. They have quite a supply of them. And then they have the regular, the AAAs, AA's, C's, and here's a mossy oak headlamp. This looks pretty good. Pretty good price. It's got 4 LEDs, and it looks like it has 2 light ranges too. For $6.50, that's a pretty good deal there. Oh, here's a camera. Always have to look at the camera. This is a digital camera, but what's interesting in this is look at this memory card that I pulled out just a little bit. It has all of 32 megabytes of memory. And look how thin it is. It's like a piece of thick cardboard. And how things have changed. Now we have 32 gigabytes in much smaller cards. Here's a Kodak 600 Tele 110 camera. And after you get fumbling with it, you'll see the front of it. There you go. It has a normal telephoto setting, built-in electronic flash. And those supposedly had decent lenses. Now here I see, let's see, we find another camera of interest. Here is a 126 camera. This had drop-in cartridges, much as the 110 did, but they were much wider and bigger. Here's a Cameo Kodak 110 camera, and it has a motor drive so that you didn't have to wind the 110 film. Here's a flashlight that senses when you touch it, so it turns itself on. That looks like a pretty good deal. It takes several AA cells, and pretty good. So, there's some of the items. I hope you enjoy seeing the stuff at Goodwill in Gorham.